Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Karen Vanessa Gudel Herrera y el día de hoy voy a realizar el parcial de pronunciación con la canción The Science. Iniciamos. Come up to me, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I have to find you. Tell you I need you. Tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secret and ask me your question. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming up tails, head on side and apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said the world be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start. I was just guessing at numbers and figures, pulling the plus apart. Question of science and progress. Don't now speak as loud as my heart. Tell me you love me. Come back and hold me. Oh, and I rush to the start, running in circles, chasing our tails, coming back as we are. Nobody said it was easy. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. I gone back to the start.